time. There are bunch of writ petition that has been disposed of. আমাদের time রয়েছিল। না। আপনি আমার ময়াটা এটা বেলেগ ক্লাবত কেছে আছে।
No appeal against this. No appeal. We'll just call it again once more.
Yes.
See whether somebody comes. If not, we'll dispose it.
So inform me.
Ah. Standing. Mati dear,
Lordship, with consent of the other side, kindly.
18 and 19
Yes, my lord.
on the prayer made on behalf
Interim
of
will be continue.
the
Interim.
on the prayer made on behalf of the Learned Council for the petition and not objected to by Mr. B. Chakraborty Lam, CJC.
Should we fix a date because their interim order is,
For the respondents.
there is interim order against
The
us.
matter stands adjourned today. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on 4/8/2025. Interim order, if any, to continue till the next date of listing. Ekalage maidi bane 17/18 ekalage maidi bane. No, 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 beleg ke mariba. 18/19 beleg ke mariba.
Bishop, after some time, your lordship, I will inform.
You inform. Mr. Fukon, I saw.
Yes.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Lord,
Where is Mr. Rashid? What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
My lord, regarding the family member and the local or outsider, my lord, it is clearly mentioned the advertisement. According to
No, the
advertisement,
thing is that you are said to be a member of the family.
no,
Bias.
I am not family member of the both are person, my lord. It's only 5 and 6, my lord. The separate person, my lord. It is clearly mentioned or repeated in reply and
But
everything.
you are appearing for both of them. A bias is made of. Why did you appear for both of them?
My lord, notice
Get
received, my lord,
Mr.
both
Rashid.
persons, my lord.
Get Mr. Rashid. Rashid.
Repeat your lordship. Lordship, the matter pertains to my taking of pensionary benefits under the old pension scheme. So lordship, what has happened is that lordship, all the petitioners in all the cases, they were initially working as master role workers in the erstwhile AACB from 1970 and 1980. In the year lordship 1993, they had raised a dispute of regularization of service. That dispute lordship was referred by the Assam government.
But you were not working at that point of
I
time.
was working lordship. Till 1990, there's a finding of the tribunal lordship.
No, no. Were you working even after the orders of the tribunal? When the process, you were not working.
No work, no pay basis.
You were
I
not
was-
working.
Lordship, I was continuously trying to pursue to get
Forget
some
it.
job.
The question is whether you were working or not. You were not working.
No,
So the tribunal said that,
Right.
okay, fine. You are entitled to a regularization
Lordship,
and such regularization will be done in a phased manner.
Lordship.
So you people were taken up, regularized sometime in 2010.
10, Lordship.
The issue is that when you were regularized, you are entitled to a pension,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship,
And the pension would be what policy is applicable on that day.
Lordship.
On the day when you were
Lord-
regularized,
Lord-
the NPS had already come in.
Lordship.
Now, how can we take
In
that service?
Lordship, may I place the NPS policy of APDCL on?
We got
It
it.
says that Lordship, the new scheme is mandatory for all company employees joining service on or after.
Because you have become an employee per se,
Lordship.
only on the date when you were regularized.
But
Before
Lordship,
that,
I was
it was, there is a doubt whether you were a contractual nature of an employee under a contractor or with a, under the, directly under AACB,
Gotcha.
be that as it may, there is a dispute all along. But the issue that boils down is, you got a regular appointment only in 2010.
Then, Lordship. That is on fact, Lordship.
Right.
On record.
And they have filed an affidavit here.
Yes, Lordship.
You have not countered that also.
No, Lordship.
Then,
Lordship, they are saying that we had not submitted the documents that they had sought for.
be that as it may, documents, will not go into that because that documents have already formed a part of the
My lords.
proceedings before the
Lord.
learned trial,
And Lordship, they
before the tribunal.
Lordship. And Lordship, they are raising the point that since we were in no work, no pay, that's the reason, Lordship, we cannot be. But Lordship, in similar facts and circumstances.
That
some
200
workers-
persons.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, in a similar.
Beautifully written in the affidavit. But the fact remains that 200 persons are also similarly situated like
My
this.
lord, they were KHLE, the KHLE.
Be that as it
My
may,
lord.
anywhere, they are muster roll workers.
No, my lord, there's a difference in that, my lord.
What is the
say in a similar kind of writ petition, where the.
My Lord Justice Sanjay Medi's order.
My lord.
Mm.
Where, my lord.
I
they
have
have-
it, I have it, I have it.
Yes, where they have directly stated that, my lord, they were not working against sanctioned posts. Wherever with regard to KHLE.
Whether KSPL, they were working against sanction.
My lord, they were what had happened there, they were working in working in a capacity. My lord, the details of it is in here, my lord.
Show me the distinction.
My lord, I'll show the distinction. In that judgment, my lord.
We'll get to you. That's the only case you have.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord,
So not you're appealing for whom?
Item number 24 is different because other two cases are for APDCL
Hmm.
and the 24 is for APGCL.
APCC.
We have a separate office number.
Okay, we'll come to you.
Not.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, it's at para 17, page 176, my lord.
Page 176 of your affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm. Hmm.
My lord, in that, what had happened, my lord, there were two high court judgments. And there was an industrial tribunal judgment that was 7/8/1996. In this particular order of the tribunal, it was a no work, no basis.
Be
Whereas
that
in
as
those
it may.
cases,
Be that as it may,
yes, my lord.
you have brought them on into your strength prior to 2010.
My lord.
And in 2010, I think that you have brought them back, allowed them to work.
My lord, yes, my lord.
And in 2010, you regularized their services.
In 2010, we regularized services.
So that regularization envisages that you have reckoned the service they have rendered with you since 1973. Because you have not gone up on appeal against that tribunal order, still holds the field.
Yes, my lord, but the positioning or the position of them and of the KHLE workers
Show me how it is different.
My lord, I would, there's an OM that was in passed and my lord, that has
Forget the OM, give me the service particulars of both these stuff. I have the particulars of the petitioners. But where is that reference employees? 200. You have sidetracked that in your affidavit. Their case is simple. Our services have been regularized only on the fact that we were working from 1973.
My lord, may just come to the notification at page number 158, my lord.
158. 158.
My lord, this was the board of resolution by which the originally engaged KHLE projects people were regularized on 1/6/2005. And my lord, there is a back history on it because all these people were under the BHPCL, that is Bharat Hydro Electricity Power Limited. And thereafter it became a KHPCL,
my lord may therefore be looked into is that these people, my lord, the concerned employees they were taken into consideration as per the pension benefits along for family members engaged in, they have to regularize on 1/6/2005.
Mr. Sharma, they are same.
No, my lord, they are not same.
They are same.
My
Why
lord,
I'm
they are,
saying-
they were on no work, no basis, my
Is
lord.
that as it may, but the tribunal's order is construe them to be muster roll workers
My lord, the
from
tribunal's order,
73 onwards.
my lord, the tribunal order is very much clear, my
No,
lord.
show me. If I have read it. That was challenged before this court tribunal order?
No, lordship,
No.
no, lordship.
Konak Sharma, that page 150 order is something different. Page
Okay.
150, Annex G.
Lordship, for implementation of the tribunal's order, we had come once to the High Court.
No,
Even
that
after
is,
that-
that is, what is this
So
150,
lordship,
page
this is the third
150?
round of litigation, lordship.
What is this 150 page?
So lordship, that is the third round of litigation for enforcement of the tribunal's order 9.
No, this is by the
Yes, lordship, the Assam
ACB.
State- Assam State Electricity Board, so we were fighting under.
Oh,
trade
union, okay.
Lordship. So after pursuant to this order, lordship, a service were
My lord, the
regularized.
finding, my
And
lord,
lord-
that page on an, the finding of the termination, the such termination is illegal and violating
Where, page?
118, my lord. They are deemed to be in service of the management as master role employees till they are regularized against regular vacancies under the principle of no pay, no work from 1/2/1993.
So they are deemed to be muster roll workers.
No, my
Okay,
lord,
fine.
thereafter, my lord, such a large number of master role employees
Phased manner.
cannot be regularized at a time, but may be regularized in a phased manner on the basis of the seniority. There is no evidence that this worker were engaged for completion of a specific work and their service automatically come to an end on the completion of the work. On the contrary, there is evidence the management has to disengage them from the want to fund and not for completion of the project. Even though they are engaged for completion of work, they assume the character of industrial worker and are entitled to benefits under the Industrial Dispute Act, and they cannot be terminated after rendering of 1560. Management is hereby directed to treat in service as master role workers, but cannot claim wages during the period from 1 till date of award because of no work, no pay.
Fine.
There is evidence, and my lord, thereafter.
It's something like we pass orders, notional benefits.
Yes, my lord.
But the status is maintained.
But my lord, Uma
You
Devi-
show me, forget Uma Devi. You show me how they are different from KHEL. That's all.
my lord,
It's not there.
the benefits that have been, the benefits that were awarded to KSB was a one-time measure were given to the employee.
Why that
My
will
lord-
not be?
My lord, my lord may just seek the judgment of Balabhadra does pass by the same.
We'll go into that.
Yes, my lord.
After I'm satisfied,
So they relied on the same thing, my lord.
after I'm satisfied with the facts, we'll follow if
My-
required.
When they are not working against a sanctioned post,
The KHEL people also were not working
my
in sanction post.
KHLPS was an administrative decision and was a decision.
Why that discrimination?
My-
That's what I'm asking you.
My lord, let me put it on record here, my lord. Let me bring the parity and the disparity between this people.
Bring it. We'll have it on Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
Mm.
My lord, let me file an additional affidavit.
Whatever you do, let him come.
Lordship,
Heard the parties at length. Mr. Sharma, learned standing counsel, your APDCL
My lord.
submits that he be granted a week's time to file an additional affidavit in the matter to clarify the status of the petitioners, to bring on record the service status of the petitioners as well as the service particulars of the employees regularized and extended with the old pension scheme working in the erstwhile
KHLP,
KHLPE.
LPE.
So raised it to list this matter again on 5/8/2025 for further hearing. Mr. Nat,
No.
we'll have it together
Lordship.
on that day.
lordship, can it be on the next 29th, lordship?
29th. Okay,
No,
29th.
My lord, 29 will be difficult, my lord.
5/8. Let him fight.
My lord.
That's the only ground.
Lordship, and lordship regarding the no work no pay also, lordship, I would like to make some arguments on that.
We will see.
My lord,
We'll see.
all right.
Mr. Barbara, is the Government counsel available, bank counsel. Bank counsel is not available.
No, we have been informed by my.
So let him come, we'll take up, moment he comes, just tell me, we'll take up the matter.
Or I just fixed on 29.
No, on 5th of August. Tinta, 22, 23, 24. 22, 23, it to order Mariba. 24, you are in 24.
I'm in 20, although these cases are coming up with the others, matlab we have a separate
Okay,
cases.
24 at Khali Likhiba, on the prayer of Mr. D. Nath, learned Standing Council, AGCL.
We have filed the affidavit and.
AGCL lists this matter again on 5/8/2025 along with WPC number, a 22, 23 WPC number to Likhiba. Together it will come.
APGCL.
APGCL.
Yes.
APGCL, still to sink in. APGCL. Okay. Mm. Yes,
As per a section,
Yes.
cabinet covered case.
yes.
Yes, my lord.
You have not filed any affidavit.
No, my lord.
My lord, I have seen, my lord, additional affidavit is not required.
Not required. Okay, fine.
Required, my lord. My lord. I am still, my lord,
Huh.
only one thing, my lord.
You give me your submission.
My lord, page number 15,
Hmm,
annexure 2, this is the order by which he was appointed, my lord.
hmm.
It's crystal that he was appointed as an work church
Okay,
establishment, my lord.
okay.
He has been, my lord, enjoying all throughout,
Hmm,
my lord, no quarrel.
hmm,
In 25, he is before your lordship
hmm,
seeking regularization. In between, my lord,
hmm,
my lord, Upendas has come.
hmm.
So, my lord, Upendas says that, my lord, state has, my lord, in fact, has come up with a device, my lord, that
No regularization.
No
No further
regularization.
regularization. Okay,
and
done.
division benches upheld that,
Appel, okay.
my lord.
Anything further?
This is my whole,
Okay.
my lord.
Done.
There was no challenge to this order
Okay.
till today, my lord.
Okay. Disposed of.
This is my
Disposed of.
in a nutshell.
Disposed of. Duta disposed of. You'll get the order by Monday.
Yes, lord. But item 26 same.
25, 26, Duta.
Deep progress.
Naam kita likhi. Yes, what happened? Why the pension is not being released? Released already?
No.
Then why?
Some issues with the.
What issues? Tell me one by one. No, you tell me one by one.
In fact, some documents from the treasury office are yet to be received.
Why? Who is the treasury officer?
Second paragraph.
Okay, Mr. Solia, give him a copy.
Yeah.
Mr. D. Bhattacharya, learned, Standing Council, AG Assam, on instruction submit that the AG, the Office of the Accountant General, Assam, is not in a position to process the matter for issuance of fresh PPO in respect of the petitioner hearing, in view of the fact that the both halves of the PPO issued in respect of the father of the petitioner has not been returned by the jurisdictional treasury officer in spite of repeated communications made in this connection. Mr. A. Chalia, learned, Standing Council, Finance Department, submits that he shall take requisite instructions from the jurisdictional treasury officer, and in the event the PPOs are not forwarded to the office of the Accountant General, he shall ensure that the said PPOs, both halves of the PPOs, are forwarded to the office of the Accountant General before the next date of listing in the present matter. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on
Here,
7/8/2025 as a part-heard matter. Also, before the next date of listing, the treasury or jurisdictional treasury officer shall forward to the office of the accountant general the both halves of the PPO concerned, if not already forwarded.
One tiny submission, Lordship. Lordship, here what happens is when there are two PPOs, Lordship. One is forwarded to the petitioner. The other one is with the bank. So I'll inform the treasury officer, Lordship.
He will, if you have the PPO, give it to him.
There are two.
There will be two halves. One is with you.
One is with
One
the
is
bank.
with the, one is will be with the,
It's forwarded to the bank.
oh, wherever it is, that is by you.
Yes, Lordship.
You also submit it
Lordship.
within this period.
We have Xerox copy.
Whatever it is, you
Yes.
give it to him. Where is the original?
Original, I have not that
Lordship,
Lordship. I will
original
take
is-
You
Yes.
go and appear before the treasury office.
We'll coordinate.
Also, it is also provided that in the event the PPO issued to the father of the petitioner is not returned to the concerned treasury officer, the petitioner shall take steps for furnishing such PPO, copy of the PPO to the treasury officer for further action at his end. Also,
Treasury officer is a party here.
huh?
Treasury officer is a party here.
So be that as it
I'll
may,
inform, treasury officer, I'll inform. him today.
whatever it is there, you do it immediately. Next week we'll have it.
That will,
I may get a
And
copy.
Mr. Bachaji, ensure
I will inform. That
this
will be
lady
kept
should
on
not
record.
be put to trouble.
I understand.
Huh.
That will be kept on.
That you take it back. We don't want. Your words are enough for us.
Good. Pleasure.
I may get a copy of this one
Hmm.
letter.
Is Mr. You are for the finance department.
Yes, Lordship.
Just be there for the next item also.
Obliged.
Obliged. Ah, yes.
Mr. Cholia, you just have a copy of this case, writ petition. Have you got it? Now, this is a memorandum issued by you, page 27. Right?
Lordship.
Now, here, how because earlier in the matriculation certificates, age was given as on March
Lordship.
of that particular year.
Lordship.
So how the date of birth would be calculated?
Lordship.
Here it was set out. Now, if you come to the last paragraph, examples.
Lordship.
Have you got the last
Yeah.
paragraph?
Lordship.
Just read that. For example,
For example, if the age of a candidate be mentioned in the old HSLC pass certificate admit card as 15 years, 10 months, 1 day on 1st March 1999, his date of birth should be computed as 1st May 1983, and the government shall retire on superannuation on 30th April 2043.
now come to the second one. Further,
Further, if the age of a candidate be mentioned in the old HLSC pass certificate admit card as 15 years, 10 months on 1st March 1999, his date of birth should be computed as 2nd May 1983, and the government servant shall retire on superannuation on 31st March 2043.
now what has happened here? This example that you have quoted, I have checked up in the original also. This example, there is some error because if it is 15 years, 10 months, then it cannot be 1/5/2023.
Lordship.
Do you get my point?
Yes, Lordship.
So you just get a clarification on page 27,
Lordship.
right?
Right.
Mr. A. Cholia, Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel, Finance Department, shall on the next date of listing apprise this court about the purport of the office memorandum dated 31/10/2012 and as also clarify as regards the examples set out therein. Registry to list those matters again on when?
Lordship, for 28th, Lordship, 28th.
28, 28, no problem. 28/7/2025 for further hearing. Let us get that because there is apparent error.
Yes.
To that extent, I am excusing you for the issue.
Much obliged, doctor.
Mr. Gogoi, where is the records?
I have the.
At the first instance, before even Mr. Borbora starts, I want to see the de novo inquiry.
Yes.
In your affidavit in para 16 and 20, you have referred to some de novo inquiry. What is that de novo inquiry? Well, you find it out for me.
Okay.
You are the master of that records. Two things you just, the inquiry proceedings
My lord.
and the de novo inquiry. How many witnesses were examined, Mr. Smith? How many witnesses were examined?
As far as de novo is concerned,
No, not de novo, mean.
in the inquiry report, we have said not a
No,
single.
you were there before the inquiry officer. On one day, the inquiry, your state is one day.
Half an hour. Single
Be there
page
as it
inquiry.
is. Who are the witnesses examined? Who brought
Nobody.
on record these documents?
Nobody. I was also not examining.
Have you brought the, what do you call that, those judgments that evidences can only be adduced through a witness?
No, have a look at the my lord.
Ah.
Kindly have a look at the inquiry officer's report.
I have seen that report, Mr. Purva.
Not for, not
No,
for- not
nothing
for
is
half
there.
an hour. No appreciation of evidence, nothing, my lord. That itself reflects that it was perfunctory, I was. Then, my lord, the punishment was given, I given. Then they talk about de novo.
Another thing in your, that inquiry report, the amount was also not quantified.
Not quantified. And then that talks about then they talk about the de novo. I have never been received a single notice
That's
about.
your reply. Yes.
No, that I'll counter, my lord. He was given a second show cause, my lord.
Second show cause is different, Mr.
No. Who are the de novo?
No. You have not said so in the affidavit. Before the final order was passed and after the inquiry report was issued, in the interregnum, you had held a de novo inquiry in terms of your board's direction. What is that nature of that de novo inquiry?
Well, I'll need some time to go through.
Time. Okay, we'll have it at, or today to 2 o'clock now.
Tomorrow, my lord.
No, not today. Time only you want. Mr. Gogoi would take 15 minutes. We'll have the other matters.
Yes.
You sit and
15
read.
minutes will be enough.
10 minutes, Mr.
My lord.
I'm returning.
I want two things. One, the basis of the inquiry report, that is the inquiry proceedings per se, and the de novo inquiry. First,
Only
show me, I will dismiss Mr. Barbaras case.
Only thing I am submitting that I am returning in October. Meanwhile, a departmental exam I was allowed to sit.
We'll see.
But for pendency of this case.
We'll see. We'll finish it off today.
Otherwise, in October, maybe.
Either way, we'll finish it off today.
My only thing, because of this, otherwise, before October.
You are there till October, Mr. Barbaras.
I may
You are there
return
till
next-
October. You are there till October.
That is.
The problem is with paying employees, the bar is high. I have judgments.
Mr. Gogoi,
My lord.
you can't create a mirage when you don't have a foundation.
I have a foundation, I'll tell you. I'll suggest.
The inquiry officer's report,
My lord.
I am not sure how you have accepted that. What is there? There is nothing.
My lord.
Mr. Barbara has not opened up till now. I am telling you.
15 minutes, my lord.
15 minutes. Yes, Mr. Soikia. Anything more? What? Tell me. Was Mr. Soikia the counsel in the earlier round of litigation? That case?
Yes, my lord.
Ah. Res advocata.
Against that order,
Huh,
an appeal has been preferred.
huh.
That appeal is pending. Lordship, kindly see the order and pass the appeal, my lord.
This appeal is pertaining to your Upendas.
My lord. My lord.
This will also have the same fate.
My lord, what I am proposing, my lord.
We are convinced that if anything has to be done, per se, my Lord Justice Jotan Kumar's judgment is there,
My lord.
agreement with that. But my view is that any tinkering with the, or any clarification with regard to the para 22 of Upendas cannot be made by any forum other than the division bench.
My lord. That is what, my lord, I am proposing, my lord. I am, my lord, submitting before lordship.
You have gone, this will also Your juniors will have some work. No waiting. There is no point in waiting.
Yes, my lord.
Or Lordship will take up on Tuesday, next month, I will pick her.
On last occasion also, he has taken time, lordship.
On Tuesday, next month.
What submission?
On the-
Jagjit Singh. Again says minimum scale. That is with
Yes, yes.
regard to the wages.
Yes.
Allowances have not been brought in.
Fine.
That is the underlying factor of that judgment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Upenda's one factor very relevant is that the state had come up with a particular package.
Madam.
And that package was wages, minimum wages, plus the
Certain benefits.
certain
Benefits.
accidental medical insurance benefits. Now, they issued an office memorandum, fine, wherein HRA was also included. It was an error. That is why they amended it. And the subsequent OM is in tune with para 22 of Upenda's. So in this circumstances, we will have to interpret Upenda's para 22.
One more aspect is there, madam. Recently, they have formed a committee.
Hmm?
Recently, the state of Assam has formed committee, my lord, for examining the entitlement of regularization.
We will
of
provide that anything
that-
that is there comes, any policy decision taken will not bar application to you.
those- Then my lord, I will take instruction whether they have applied pursuant to that, my lord, before the committee.
You
But
go,
so
that
far
will
is
not,
the-
that will not prejudice you.
Recently, my lord.
I will make it specific that it will not be prejudicial to you. Take whatever. Mr. Soikia, our hands are tied. After para 22, we cannot go beyond that. And we should not go beyond that.
My lord,
I'm giving you an opportunity. I'm giving you an opportunity.
With all respect, my lord, para 22, the proposal said, my lord, put forward by the government, my lord, before the division bench, my lord. It was to, my lord, give the minimum scale of pay with certain benefits.
Hmm.
There was nothing in the proposal as regards the, my lord, pension.
See,
But it went.
the minimum wage will not include HRA. Will not include HRA. It's an allowance. It's not a wage.
That part, my lord, I want to, my lord, make some submission on.
What is the conclusion here?
Lordship, notification that they have challenged the finance notification was not interpreted with by this honorable court, my lord.
That order is,
Also direct the state government to pay minimum of the pay scale to the master rule books.
yes.
That much only. This is wrong, maybe. But this has to be rectified before the division bench, not here.
That is why my lord, I'm praying that, my lord, let the division bench set the issue first.
You go before the division bench with full
Yes,
force.
These are very poor persons, my lord. Recently, they have got the minimum.
We have a legal aid cell here. You can ask them to approach them.
Recently, they have get the minimum scale of pay. And let them not be forced to file an appeal before the division bench at this stage, my lord. As the appeal is pending on the same issue, my lord. Against the same judgment, my lord, of which my friend. is
Same
right.
judgment.
Yes, my lord. Same judgment. I was the counsel in the.
No
So,
copy was
the
served to
single
me,
judge
if
and
any
that
appeal is
appeal
filed
is-
before this division bench.
Yes.
I was the counsel for the respondent, but no copy was served if the appeal is pending before this division bench.
So she has seen the order before the order passing the division bench.
Your copy, dear, na? Copy, dear, na?
Oh, there is another order that your committee thing,
Yes, my lord,
this coordinate bench has granted liberty to the petitioners to submit applications.
my lord.
You do.
Yes.
That is certain, my lord, I will pardon.
Same petitioners. Who has given this order?
These are,
Hussain Ahmed Borbia.
these are different petitioners, my lord.
Okay, same thing. You go, you also do.
What I am submitting to lawsuit, as the issue is pending before the division bench, and the judgment which my friend is relying on, the same judgment is under challenge before the division bench.
Whether that can be a ground. Whether that can be a ground.
My lord,
What happened to the appeal before the Upenda's appeal before the Supreme Court? It's been considered finally.
No lordship is pending.
Yes, Mr. Solia, any idea?
not finalized till today, my lord.
Not finalized.
Finalized. On-site of employee has been granted the relief, my lord. The works as employees, my lord. They have been directed to be regularized
By the Supreme Court,
by the Supreme Court, but.
Upendas,
Yes, madam. But is because the master workers, my lord, there is no.
on the prayer of Mr. I. Sakya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and not objected to by Ms. M. D. Bora, learned standing counsel,
For 16 WMD and for 17 Transport Department.
learned counsel representing the respondents, comma, raised it to list this matter after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Get it? Poor people,
Lordship, Lord-
dismiss it, they'll have to again file an appeal.
That is why my lord,
Hello.
I-
Lordship, may kindly.
I was just
kindly
trying to
relate-
convince myself whether I should dismiss it or not. I'm not convinced.
My lord, may kindly
Ready.
observe that judgment I have relied, that may be.
It is there. Anybody opens the file, he'll get it.
My
Don't
lord.
worry.
Deeply
Yes.
obliged.
Yes, they have boycotted.
No. I talked with him, your lordship, after
Hey.
10 minutes he will come.
They forgot this all too late, is it? I think forgot what I actually put is it.
Lordship, I talked with him, your lordship, after 10
Huh?
minutes he will come.
Heard Mr. A. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the respondents on, even on second call. However, for the ends of justice, raised
But-
it to
but-
list this matter again on
Because in
Kumbara
all-
delay where would be? Huh? On 21/7/2025 for further hearing.
Sorry, Vinod, I couldn't declare faster.
No. Mr. Rashid, these are disputed questions of fact. You file an appeal before the director. What is the director called now? Social welfare today?
Yes, Director, Women and Child Lordship.
Human and Child.
Only Vinod, director shall dispose the appeal within a fixed period.
That I know. You want to withdraw it? We'll give you that liberty also.
No, you should pass.
I'll pass it. Dispose of.
Deeply obliged.
15. Yes, Mr. Gugui, have you got it?
I have to dig deeper, madam. What has happened? The BOT.
You show me the file.
It is not there, madam. BOT decision I couldn't find.
Forget if the BOD decision.
All the report is there, madam.
Mr. Khan, can you
flex
just
are
call Mr. Borbora? He'll be around here.
Certain flags are there. Perhaps I have to call for further records because another person named Bhupendra Goswami, he has also approached the court. Affidavit, please.
This is Hemendra Kumar Taluk.
Yes. One of the, another accused person, madam, dealing with Bhupendra Goswami. Basically, we can do but to দিলে মানে তাকে একটা chance দিব লাগে। ঠিক আছে।
Mr. Gogoi, what is this inquiry?
My lord,
What is this inquiry?
gentlemen,
Have you seen the inquiry proceeding?
my lords, I have.
Huh?
First one, my lords.
First one,
First one, it was, my lord, it was found to be full of fault. It was faulty, my lords.
then
My lord, the
second one, he is not involved.
second, as per, to be fair, my lords, his case is that if you want to initiate second one, I should have been put to.
Naturally.
So
Naturally.
in that case, my lord, if lordship decides to interfere,
I'll
on that
interfere.
count, my lord, we may be granted.
You have retired now?
No, my lord. Then we may be granted liberty, my lord.
My lord, in October, and my promoter.
Cannot
is
be.
doing it.
No, no.
You have done it. See how you have done this inquiry. You have examined the prosecution, the presenting officer and the delinquent.
My lords.
That's enough. Where are the witnesses? Your second inquiry, where is your second inquiry? Report on so and so drawn up. So
Page 95.
the board had
of
held
page
5
95.
employees, so and so, so and so.
Yes, sir.
Where is that de novo inquiry thing? It's not here.
Exactly, my lord. So I will, perhaps the records are scattered because 4 different persons were involved. It refers to some board resolution of 17, but I couldn't find it there. Be that as it may, my lord, in case the BOD wants to go against him again, de novo. he should
No,
have
if
put
you come to
notice.
page 49 here,
Yes, my lord.
it says that the de novo inquiry report was placed before the board
Hmm.
on its meeting held on 3/9/2020. When was the penalty issued? Recovery order?
16/11/20.
16/11. 16/11. So where is that de novo inquiry report? How did you do it?
And that I have to call for all the records, panels. Because 4 different persons were involved.
Heard Mr. A.C. Barbara, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Smith, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent bank. Full stop. Heard Mr. Gogoi, so Barbara has made his submissions in the matter. However, the hearing remains inconclusive. Full stop. Mr. Gogoi submits that the records as furnished to him does not contain the de novo inquiry report purportedly stated to have been carried, report of the de novo inquiry does not contain the report of the de novo inquiry purportedly carried about by the respondent bank in the matter, behind the back, in the matter. Mr. Barbara had submitted that the said de novo inquiry was so carried out behind the back of the petitioner without involving him in the matter. Full stop. Mr. Gogoi shall also on the next day, full stop. Mr. Gogoi shall place before this court the copy of the de novo inquiry report along with the records produced today. Full stop. The records are produced are returned to Mr. D. Gogoi to be placed again on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matters again on Ajikiman Khutoro. Can we have it on 24th, Mr. Barbara?
Lordship.
24/7/2025 for further hearing.
Right, Lordship.
The inquiry, initial inquiry will go. The de novo, if not made by involving, that will also go. Have you made the recovery? Recovery has been made.
No, perhaps there's a stay, my lords.
No, I got a protection from him.
Okay, fine. So you can't.
I'll
This
advise
is not the manner you.
Well,
You think if it is disposed of, I retire in the next post.
Huh?
I retire.
If you get all the benefits. Because if we interfere with the order of penalty, then the order of the show cause and the others will also go.
Then in that case, lordship will grant us liberty because pecuniary involved lost to the government.
Oh, you had the opportunity, you budged the whole
In
thing up.
that case, it's a cooperative bank, man, it's people's money. So pecuniary
I know that.
issue is there.
Then what have you done against the persons who have done this
Problem is, my lord,
perfunctory inquiry?
departments and institutions or clients normally don't consult us. after the.
No, no, this is
MSD
not the way
implementation-
I have dealt with
Yes, my lord.
departmental proceedings of cooperative, cooperative
lord,
bank,
This
Apex Bank,
Yes, ma'am.
and they have done it very beautifully.
This time, we don't know what has happened with us.
Not happened, there may be something else also. Have you taken steps?
This, I will advise them, my lords. I have come to this case very lately,
24.
my lords.
Bulgul, এটা আছে নহয় এই
আছে।
ফুকন এইটো কেতিয়া ফিক্স কৰিছো মিস্টাৰ ফুকন any instructions?
Today they have telephonically instructed me, my lord. My lord, can it be fixed on 25th, my lord? 24th, I'll get my instruction.
কিমান আছিল
Six.
21st 21st
I get 20. My lord, can it be fixed on 24th?
24th कर दो उसको तुम्हारा पास में ना 21 24th कोई नहीं
24th.
24th
24th. Deeply
Okay.
obliged.
हो गल